Good morning, class 6. We are back today with SSC again, chapter 2 of civics. All human beings are equal. We were there, and we have done prejudice, we have done discrimination and stereotypes. Oh, I guess you all are doing good. I'm so sorry. You are doing fine, keeping good, healthy, and taking care of yourself and your family and having good fun with your parents. And I had told you to practice your taekwondo kicks and punches and exercises. I hope you're doing that. It's going to keep you fit. You'll be more hungry and more, you'll eat more and you'll become more strong. Good. Keep on doing it. Be in a routine wise, disciplined life. If you listen to your parents, you will be disciplined. That's all it is. So, all human beings are equal. Prejudice. Now, prejudice, I told you, having a reason, not based, no proper conception. You just something you tell about people of different backgrounds. A harm of injury by your actions or what you say. Biased, no reasons, but we just say it. That was prejudice. Then we have discrimination. We should have that discrimination of right and wrong. That is good. Discrimination, understanding the difference between one thing and another. Recognition. But unjust, prejudicial treatment of different categories of people, especially on the grounds of race, age and sex, it's not allowed. Just because that is a male or female, you will have a prejudice treatment. Unjust. Race, different kind of culture, different kind of society. No. Age, because he's younger than you, you will do anything. That is not tolerated. When all human beings are equal, we cannot do that. So prejudice, discrimination, stereotypes. What is a stereotype? Stereotype is like what to say? It's a social psychology. Fixed people's thinking, belief, an expectation that we have about every person or a particular group. Oh, they are from Bombay, they are all under with Dawood Ibrahim, right? Stereotype thinking. It can be on a particular person or on a total group or on a race or on a religion or on a culture. That we cannot do. Stereotypes. I had given you the example was in your book also. Particular people are called criminals, like, oh, you're from Bombay, okay, you are staying at, what do you say, okay, you are from Mahim, oh, from Mahim, okay, so you are with that gang, right? Stereotype information. Just because once I came to know that in Mahim there are some gang lords living. No, we cannot do that. Stereotypes, we prevent others also from looking into each and everyone's uniqueness. That's where we go into stereotypes. But most terrific thing and the most dangerous thing in India was the caste system. Page 191. Stereotype, another example I gave about that Sulakshana was studying here. Let's go back there, then I'll come to caste based discrimination. Because Sulakshana is a girl, she is supposed to stay at home. Boys don't cry. Boys are strong. But there are boys who cry. So many boys in school I have seen cry. A child is special when his or her capacities and needs are different from other children. He or she has difficulties, disabilities which other children do not have. A broad classification of special children can be made on the basis of a child's mental and physical condition. These are called special children. The terms impairment, disability and handicap are often used while referring to a special child. Impairment is loss of or abnormality of the body structure or its function, for example, losing a limb in an accident. An impairment may or may not interfere with the performance of a child. A disability restriction resulting from impairment to perform an activity in the manner considered normal for a human being. A handicap results from an impairment or disability that limits or prevents the fulfillment of a role that is normal of an individual. Disabled children are now called children with special needs. How would you feel if a special child is your classmate? What would you do to make this person feel comfortable and accepted? What is the reaction of other children towards such a child? In what ways are people with special needs discriminated against? This I don't have to say anything. You have seen me in school. What I do. Make everybody feel normal. Never look down upon them. Everybody is a human being. It's not their fault that they are impaired or they are disabled or they are having anything. They are special. They need that help. You have, thank God that you are fit and fine. When I was in the military also, in the forces, I got hurt, I got shot, I had a bullet wound, I broke my leg, I had to go in through surgery. I am also not fit, but I never said that I am disabled. I could have got a handicap certificate and walked with a stick full of my life just to show that I am handicapped. Why? I am fit, I am good. Never even try to copy someone or make fun of that person. It's not their fault. It might have been some medical issues or some great accident which has caused. Some people can't see. Help them. Tell them. Become their eyes. Those who can't speak properly or someone stammer, they feel nervous to speak. Help them out instead of making fun of them. If anybody is not able to walk properly, be a hand to them, be a support. What else do you need in life? That is more than enough. Okay? If there is a special child ever in your class, please be the best friends with that child. No matter what, stay by that side. Always help. You will become a better human being. Okay? Now we are going to come in the next video is the caste based discrimination. What is this all about? What are Dalits? The word Dalit means broken, that is, discrimination has broken a particular class. We have done discrimination, we have made Dalits. They are not human beings. They don't have hands, they don't have legs, they don't have hair, they can't talk. That's why they are Dalits. Come back in the next video.